Good morning. This is Gary with JMARK Business Solutions, and I wanted to share some of the cool things that we've been able to do with teams over the last couple of weeks. Like many companies, JMARK has a remote workforce, and with the current COVID-19 epidemic and the requirements to keep your distance from other folks, we've been really heavily using the features of Teams to enable our working team to still get our work done. Some of the best features that we've been able to take advantage of are the chat and video conference capabilities of Teams. What I really find useful is that I can work with my team or I can work with an individual. I can chat, I can do a video call, I can do a screen share. It's really what is best for your specific scenario. So, for example, this week and last, I've been working a lot with Kristen, and I've got Kristen on the call with me actually. Hi, Kristen.
Hi, good morning.
And we're on a video chat right now. We've been doing this a lot the last couple of weeks. What's your feedback and thoughts on how that has worked for you over the last week or two?
Yeah, so my name is Kristen, and I am a new employee with JMARK. I started a couple weeks ago, and due to the COVID-19, obviously we're all working from home, and being a new employee, all my training has been virtual. So we've been using Microsoft Teams, doing the video conferencing and chat for all my training, and I feel like we have not skipped a beat. It's been a great experience, and thankfully with the technology we have today, and due to the crisis we're in, we can work remotely and still be just as efficient and do our jobs.
Yeah, it's been really great. We've been doing a lot of screen shares. Once you fire up a video call, you can see that my screen content is actually being shared with Kristen right now, so she can see what's on my screen. In fact, the remote party on Teams can even request remote control. So not only are you sharing content from your screen, but you can actually interact with other folks on that live screen share or that live video call. So really a lot of powerful things, and probably my uh, most favorite aspect of this whole Teams utilization has been the fact that I still get to see my team members' faces. Especially Kristen, as we've been training this week and last, you'll I'll be working on whatever content I've got up. I'll have my video conference over on the side, and you and Julia have been there, and I get to see your faces and see your reactions as we're working through things, and it just adds a personal touch that I think can be lost when teams are working remotely without the ability to see each other.
Yes, I agree.
So, anyway, that's just some of the tips and tricks, some of the things that we've really enjoyed, and I hope that you're making use of the tools and resources that are out there. Teams is a great one.